You dirty whore. Me grab your throat. Well, I soak. My finger in your mouth. It's not for more. Me up work for you do.
So today we're going to be rating my C8 3LT 2023 behind us. Give them a look. So originally when I went to purchase this car, I was looking for an AMG and a Trackhawk, but as you know, it's summertime in Toronto, it's really hot, so I thought let me go drop top version on this car. So some things that I like about it, I've had it for about 3 months now. Seats, they are bucket seats. If you show them, take a look. And the red stitching on it with the red on the outside, the red on the inside, I really love. And again, it gives it it has the supercar look as well. And I mean, I don't know, I still don't know if it's classified as a supercar. I think what I would say is that it does have the speed. It has about 500 horsepower, and it is tunable as well. And honestly, I've been working a lot, so I've been able to drive it too much, but in the times that I have driven it, the takeoff on it is insane. I'll be showing you guys a review in a little bit. I have been going a little crazy with it. I could show you guys a couple of things. So it is a 6.2 liter V8. It's a 6.2 liter V8, so it guzzles gas. It guzzles gas. Like, one of my favorite things about it actually is this. Come here. So when I open the front, go to the front. So you can open the front and the back at the same time, okay? So I popped both of them open, right? And when you go like this, I probably have some clothes in here right now. But as you can tell, that's a front. It's like a frunk, I don't know, I think that's what it's called, right? And then we also have the back, which is, again, a trunk, but it has the engine as well. So again, look how many clothes I have in here. It's a V8 again. It's just, it has the aesthetic of insane supercar. If you kind of look at it from out here, it looks like a transformer. Look at it over there. So I mean, I'm gonna be honest, before I bought this car, I used to be a hater of this car. My brother has a C7. It's a track car, the one that he has. If you guys scroll to my other videos, you'll be able to see as well. But again, when I went to look at this car, I was like, I didn't know. And then the dealer was like, you know what? I'm gonna let you take it to the end of the road and I'm gonna let you drift it. And it was raining. So I said, all right, let me take it for a little peel. I went, I spun the whole car, and it was doing exactly what I wanted it to do. So if you have this car, you know what's up. But if you want to get this car, I'm gonna be honest, it is a car that you want to have fun with. One of my friends, he has a Lamborghini, and he was like, bro, I drove this in Miami and it was fun. I was like, nah, I don't really like the idea of it. And then I went and I drove it, and let's just say it was insane. Let me show you guys the interior now, okay? So from this side, when you look at it, let me show you. So as you can tell, when you go at it, it has a red on red. You can see the stitching right there. And then my favorite part about it, I don't know other people's opinions on it, but this right here is one of my favorite features about the car. Again, the park, neutral, drive is over here, so you press buttons over here instead. Then this is for the shifting of the modes. Let's give it a turn on. Let's start it. So when you do that, this comes up. And then again, but these seats. Carbon on the inside right there. Red stitching all over it. And one of my favorite parts about it is the music and the volume it goes up to. Watch this. We have the drop top version as well, so this part does come off. It takes about 30 seconds to come off, and then it turns into a drop top. The window in the back isn't exactly the most optimal. I don't know what this says. This says, what did that say? 1953, 70, 2023. I don't know what that means. No idea what that means. But yeah, overall, this car is a beautiful ride. Let's take it on a test drive real quick. I'm gonna show you guys how it sounds. to, if I take it off of this, then I rev it, fuck, it goes to that. And then, doesn't sound as, so there's tour mode.